There she is. Okay. Alright, so I'm headed to the shop right now. I know that the lift kit has been installed on the Suburban. Wheels and tires are put on, but it's not quite road ready yet. Not quite ready for me to take home. So I'm heading over there right now just to check on a few things and maybe order a couple more parts just to get this thing rolling. But I am excited because I know that it's going to be out of the shop and I'm going to be able to see basically what it's going to look like once everything's all put together. So I'm going to let you guys check it out here in just a bit once I get there. There's the big boy. Let's see, where is the Suburban? Ah, there she is. Okay. Holy cow. It's a lot bigger than I thought. Knew it was gonna be big, but in person, holy shit. God damn! That's a big boy. Oh man. Woo! Damn, this thing's a monster now. This is like, right here is like my chest height. Whew. Like I said, it still needs a little bit of work. It's not fully done up yet. The axle is actually ratchet strapped in place. I'm gonna need an adjustable track bar. And I'm gonna need to paint a few things underneath to get rid of all that surface rust.
It's gross, bro. You need to clean that.
But then it'll be showtime. Holy cow, this thing is insane. Yeah. I can't wait to drive it. Yeah, it's taller. I haven't even moved my wires yet.
I've never seen a car that dirty in my life.
Okay. I guess I'll grab the steering wheel. Alright, not so bad. Whew. Sure sits a lot taller now. Alright then. Just gonna move it real quick. That way I can get some painting done. Let's see. She rolling. Funny enough, the guy actually told me that it rubs. Like, it's a 15-inch lift and it rubs. Like, is this real life? That's all right. Looks like we'll just have to lift it more.
That's exactly what we're gonna do.
God damn, it actually feels pretty smooth. All right. Now, jumping down for the very first time. Let's see how that goes. It's a little tall. Not too much to handle for sure. Probably the tallest truck I've ever had. I can't explain to you guys how crazy this looks in person. I've never seen a Suburban that, well, I mean, I guess the Cadillac that Extensive Metalworks built, that one's pretty big.
Yeah, I probably could've hit a lick with all my homies. Instead I played it cool and sat at home all by my lonely.
But other than that, in person, I've never seen one this large. Still a lot of work to do before I can take her home though. So I'm gonna get started. So right now, if you could see, I'm rocking the Bluetooth drive shaft. And the reason for that is because my exhaust actually gets in the way. So once I'm done here at the shop, it's time to move on to the next shop so they can bend the exhaust so I can run the front drive shaft. So that's another step in this process. But I guess that's just part of the game. And off I go until the new parts come in. And there she sits. I drove it up there. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. What the hell? This is a Ram 2500. It's a gas truck, but it's a 4x4. I believe it's on a 5-inch lift on 37s, and this is the height difference. That thing is a lot taller. This is with the tow meters out. Holy cow. Oh, I can't wait to actually take it home. Woo. Soon. Soon.